People, here I am again. Same 06 gsxr R6 600. I was looking online there for advice from anybody about what to do. This is what my bike does. Doesn't do shit. I tried. I tested the relays. Tested the starting relay or starting coil, whatever. Checked my ECU, tip over sensor. All of it seems to be working fine. When I run direct power to it or whatever, it ticks on and it works. It's not getting any spark. And I've also checked the battery. The battery puts out enough juice. They used the test light on everything. It seems to be working all right. The kickstand switch is that all checks out. Everything works. Everything works except getting power to the fuel pump. The fuel pump works. I've hooked power up to it and tested it, and it turns on and it runs. The fans run. Everything, you know, headlights. When I turn it on and fucking hit the switch or hit my start switch, see the headlight fucking turns off and on. You know what I mean? It just doesn't want to get power to the starter, and I've straight jumped it. I mean, here, I'll show you. I used the freaking screwdriver here. Nothing. And I am at a loss. Okay, well, maybe my fucking battery's dead now, but that's what it does. It just kicks over, kicks over, kicks over. It doesn't do shit. So if there's any suggestions or anybody else that might know something, where should I go to next? I checked the switch in the handlebars. I checked my fucking clutch switch, which I bypassed that as well. And I've tried everything, man. So if anybody has any suggestions or something to fucking do, what should I do, or somewhere else I should start, or something I'm doing wrong, please let me know. Thanks.